Have you ever felt like the world is against you? Like no matter how hard you try, life keeps testing you? Meet Aarav, a young boy from a dusty little village where dreams felt too heavy for hands like his. He didn't have much. No wealth, no fancy school, no golden opportunities. All he had was a burning dream. A dream to reach a life far beyond the dusty roads he walked every day. And this is his story. A story that might just change the way you see your own struggles. Mornings began. Before the sun. While other children slept, he carried water, helped his mother sell vegetables, and ran errands for neighbors. People in the village often laughed at him. "Why dream so big, boy? Look at your shoes. Look at your hands." But Aarav never listened. Every word of mockery, every doubt, only made his dream grow stronger. Night. Aarav would sit on the hill near his home and look at the city lights far away. One day, he whispered to the stars, "I will reach that place. I will make my life better, and I won't stop until I do." You see, dreams aren't about where you start. They're about how far you're willing to go. The day came when Aarav left the village with nothing but hope and a small bag. The road was harsh. The city was big, and life was relentless. He worked small jobs, cleaning tables at a tea stall, delivering packages, carrying heavy loads. Every coin he earned went into learning. And yes, he failed. Many times. Exams he couldn't pass. Jobs he didn't get. Rejections piled up like the stones on the roadside. But he never quit. Not once. Because he understood something most people forget. It's not about how many times you fall. It's about getting up every single time. One evening, exhausted and about to give up, Aarav met an old mechanic. A man who had seen the harshness of life but never lost hope. "Son," the mechanic said, "you can fix machines, but the real work is fixing your mindset. You have to believe even when the world doesn't." Those words hit Aarav like a spark in the darkness. He realized, success isn't handed to anyone. It's earned step by step, day by day. Aarav spent years working and studying. Nights under flickering streetlights, mornings running errands, days filled with labor and learning. Friends stopped calling. People laughed at him. He was lonely. He was tired. But he kept telling himself, "One more hour, one more page, one more day. That's how dreams are built." And slowly, very slowly, the pieces began to fall. Spent years working and studying. Nights under flickering streetlights, mornings running errands, days filled with labor and learning. Friends stopped calling. People laughed at him. He was lonely. He was tired. But he kept telling himself, "One more hour, one more page, one more day. That's how dreams are built." And slowly, very slowly, the pieces began to fall into place. Finally, after years of struggle, Aarav's hard work paid off. He passed the toughest exam of his life. The same boy, who walked barefoot on dusty roads, who was laughed at for dreaming, was now stepping toward a future he once imagined under the stars. And when he called his mother to tell her the news, her voice trembled with pride. "I knew you could do it. I always believed in you." Years later, Aarav returned to his village, not as the boy who left, but as a young man who had achieved his dreams. People stared in disbelief. The same kids who laughed, the same neighbors who doubted, all amazed at his transformation. And yet, Aarav remembered something very important. Success isn't about showing off. It's about inspiring others, about lighting the way for someone still on the dusty road. Maybe right now you're on your own dusty road. Maybe people laugh at your dreams. Maybe life keeps throwing obstacles at you. But hear this. Your dream is bigger than your fear. Your will is stronger than any challenge. Take one step, then another. Keep walking, keep believing, and one day, you'll reach your glowing city too. Aarav's story isn't unique because he succeeded. It's unique because he refused to quit. And you, yes, you watching this right now, have the same power within you. Remember, success isn't about where you start. It's about never stopping. So rise, fight, Tavent. Keep moving forward. One step at a time, one day at a time, and never, ever give up.